Good morning, student. Today we will start class 9 maths chapter 2 polynomial and remaining question of exercise 2.5 and 1 to 6 which was already discussed, and now we will start today question number 7 which has 3 parts, and one part I will explain to you and remaining 2 parts you will do as homework, and the question which are solved at here and remaining part you have to do at home. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in your doubt class in first session. And now 99 whole cube. Then we break this 99. Which value nearest to the 99? Smallest 99 is 2-digit number. Then we have to find out the smallest 3-digit number, which is nearest. Smallest 999, that will be 99, which can be written 100 minus 1, and this cube is same. Then we know this 100 minus 1 whole cube we can written in what form? A minus B whole cube, and we know the identity of A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. It means when we express 100 minus 1 in terms of A minus B, then what is the value of A? If we compare, A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 1. It means here we will put 100 in place of A and 1 in place of B. It is your 100 minus 1 whole cube is equal to this A. The value of A is 100 whole cube minus B, which is equal to 1 whole cube minus 3. A is 100 and into B. All three terms are multiplied to each other. 300 into 1. A is 100 minus 1. And now this will be same. This will be same. And this will be 100 power 3. It means 100 how many times? 3 times. 100 3 times mean count number of 0. Number of zeros are here is 2. And 2 zeros how many times we have to write? 3 times. 2, 1, 2, 2 times, 3 times means how many zeros? 6. It means 100 power 3 means 2 0. 2 0 we have to write 3 times. Then it will be 6. Minus 1 cube is same. Minus 3 into 100, 300 into 1, this will be same. 100 minus 1. This will be same, this will be same. Minus 300, 100 minus 1 is 99. And now we have to multiply 99 into 300. 99 into 300, we will get the product is 29,700. When we multiply 300 into 9, this will be 29,700. And this will be, if you will put 10 lakh minus, if you subtract 1 from this, the answer will be this one. And now 9,99,000, we subtract 29,700. Subtract 29,700 from this, we will obtain this answer. This is your answer. And similarly, next part is 102. We have to break 100 plus 2. That means, what is the value of A? A is equal to 100. And what is B? B is equal to 2. It means we apply A plus B whole cube. We apply formula. Which identity we have to apply? A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube. And check from the list. Again same, 998. We have to find out 4-digit smallest number. That will be 1000. This will be 1 can written. Then 1000 minus 2 whole cube. It is this. And then what is A? What is A? A is 1000, B is 2. Then we have to apply formula A minus B whole cube, which is similar to this one. This formula is applicable for this, and this for the formula is A plus B whole cube. And then we can find out the answer. And now move to question number 8. What is question number 8? 8 cube plus B cube plus 12A square B plus 6AB square. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 term. we know the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. This question can be solved by two ways. It means a plus b whole cube has two identity, one of this one and second is this one. First identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, which is equal to a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square 3ab bracket a plus b. We have to use or apply this identity. It means we have to convert it 8 is the cube of, we have to make factor 8. Here is 2 4 2 2 2 1. It means 8 is equal to 2 cube. Here is 8 is the cube of 2. 8a cube means 2 cube and this is a cube. And cube is common. Then we have to write 2a whole cube. 8a cube we can write 2 cube a cube. This will be 2a whole cube. It means 8a cube we can return. 8 is the cube of 2 and a cube plus this will be same plus 3ab. Now this is a and this is b. 3a this will be a and b this is b. 3ab bracket a plus b. It is a and it is b. It is a. Now check this one. A cube plus b cube plus 3a. What is a? A is 2a. This is 2a is a and b is this one bracket a plus b. A plus b. A plus b. And now a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to a plus b whole cube. What is a? 2a. What is b? B plus a plus b whole cube. We can write a plus b a plus b a plus b. We have to write 3 times. And this is the answer. Factor of this. And now or in the other form. Again we can use other identities also. A cube plus b cube. We know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And here is, what is this? 2a cube means 8 is the cube of 2. A cube 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3a square. What is a? 2a. Now here is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square 2a square into में b plus 3ab square plus 3a. What is a? 2a. What is b? B square. And now when we open bracket 3 square of 2 square 4. A square is a square into में b plus 3 into में 2a into में b square. When we solve 3 4s are 12. It is 12 a square b plus 3 2s are 6 ab square. If you will check, this will be 12 ab square this one and 6 ab square this one. And the answer is same. And we can solve by 2 methods. And you can use any method. By I will solve only one method, either by this or by this. You can do by any method. And now question number part number next one. And now part third part 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. This is 27. We have to apply the same identities. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. And now 27 is the cube of 3. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 cube. It means 27 is the cube of 3 minus is same. 125 is the cube of 5. 125 5 into 5 into 5 cube. It means 125 is the cube of 5 and a cube is already. And we put in whole cube. A cube minus b cube. And now why we put 3ab? 3, what is 3? 3 this one. A is 3 is formula. And a, this is a. This is A and B is 5A. 3 same A. This is A equal to A and this is B 5A bracket A minus B. A is 3, B is minus 5A. A minus B. Then we know identity A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. A minus B whole cube. 3 minus 5A whole cube. In this way we can find out this factor. Or 27 minus 125 A cube minus 135 A plus 225 A cube. We can take common also. It can be solved by taking the common in last two terms. And then we have to say again come to this formula. Identities. We can take common from last two terms and we have to form in this way. And we can solve it. But we are solving only one method. And this 27. Here is 27. 27 is the cube of 3. P is same. 3 cube. P cube. 3P cube. 3P whole cube. 3 cube. P cube. 3 cube be 27 P cube. 3 27 3. 3 cube P cube minus 216 is the cube of 6. 1 cube is equal to 1. 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 cube minus 3. This is 3. 3A. And now this A is 3P. A is 3P. B is 1 by 6. B is 1 by 6. Bracket A is 3P. A is 3P. Minus B is 1 by 6. Then the formula identity is A cube minus B cube minus 3A B bracket A minus B whole cube. A minus B. This is A minus B whole cube. We have to write in 3 times. This is the question part 4 and do remaining part of all the questions which are solved at here. And now we will move question number 9. Question number 9, first part, verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square plus x square minus xy plus y square, or x square plus y square minus xy. This is the 9th part. We can do by two methods. First, either we have to open multiply x plus y to this. I am explaining two ways, and you can do by any method. First, only by taking LHS. What is LHS? X plus y bracket x square plus minus xy plus y square. And now open bracket, x bracket, here is x. X is multiplied to all three terms, mean x square minus xy plus y square. This x is multiplied to all three terms and plus y. Y will multiply to all these three terms, means multiply x, y multiply x is equal to x square y or yx square. And first we will write always x. Here is multiply x multiply xy. Multiplied it means minus xy square. My y multiplied to y square plus my y cube. No, sorry, we have to put bracket. We need not to first multiply, first put inside the bracket. What is this? X square minus xy plus y square. And now open bracket. X multiply x square multiply to this. This will be x cube minus multiply to this one. X into x square y plus x multiplied to x square y. What is your answer? Xy square plus y multiply x square y. First we will write x. Y multiply this one. Y multiply to this one. Multiply this minus plus minus x, and here is y1 y square plus y square into y. This is power 1 or 2, 3. I think x square y minus this will cut. X minus y, xy square plus, here is plus minus, this will cut. What is left? X square plus x cube plus y cube is equal to LHS. One method we can solve by this way. And the second method you also can do. You can solve by the second method and check how we can solve it. Second, or we know, we have to know x cube plus y cube is equal to, x plus y whole cube. Do you know formula of x plus y whole cube is equal to, do you know the formula? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y, which we have done in previous question. And now can I do this one in this way? Put x cube plus y cube on the right side, another will be on left side. Means, or we can say x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y is equal to x plus y whole cube. We can write also in this form. And now, what we will do now? Here is all the single term that will be transferred to the right hand side. Then sign will change. What is your answer? X cube plus y cube is equal to, here is x plus y whole cube minus, here is plus, this is plus, and that will be minus 3x y x plus y, and this will be same, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y is common. Here is power cube, here is power 1. What is common? X plus y is common. We take common x plus y from both term, x plus y. Here is 3, here is 1. Then what is left? X plus y whole square minus, this is common, what is left? 3x y. And this will be same, x cube plus y cube. What is this? X plus y. And here is x plus y whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Here is x plus y. Here is x square plus y square, 2xy plus 3xy is minus, and then plus and minus, minus is more. There is minus 3, here is plus 2, minus 3xy plus 2xy. This will be minus xy, because negative value is more than the positive value. Minus 3xy is greater than 2xy. One negative, one is positive. Then we have to subtract 3xy minus 2xy. Answer is xy, and we have to put the sign of larger value. If one is negative, other is positive, then we have to subtract the smaller part from the larger and put the sign of larger value. And now it is your answer. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y. It is your answer, x square minus xy plus y square, or hence very 5, or we can solve by this way. There are these two ways to which can be solved. Now it is clear, and now move to question number 10.